Hey guys, welcome again, and today in this video, I'm gonna show how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. So, let's begin. Open your browser, go to the link provided in the description. After the web page loads, click on Download Now to download Windows 11 Installation Assistant. After it gets downloaded, open it. After Windows 11 Installer Assistant opens, click on Accept and Install, and the update process will be initiated. But keep in mind that this method will only work for users whose devices meets Windows 11 minimum system requirements. After some time, Windows 11 Installer Assistant will throw a restart request. Close all your applications, if using any, and click on Restart Now to finish the process. And finally, Windows 10 has been successfully upgraded to Windows 11, so that was it. Hope that it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great time ahead.